In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a rule in Outlook. If your emails are being moved, flagged, or categorized in ways you didn't expect, a rule is probably doing that work behind the scenes. Deleting the rule that's causing the issue will stop that behavior immediately, and I'll show you how to do it safely and quickly. Start by opening your web browser and going to outlook.live.com. This is Outlook on the web, which gives you a consistent interface regardless of your device. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. This opens a panel on the right side of the screen with quick options and a link to the full settings area. In the Settings panel, select Mail to open the deeper Mail settings. This section contains everything related to how your messages are handled. From there, choose Rules. Rules are the automated instructions that tell Outlook what to do with incoming mail. Things like moving messages from a particular sender to a folder, marking them as read, or forwarding them. If a rule is misconfigured or no longer needed, this is where you can remove it. Find the rule you want to remove in the list. If you have several, take a moment to read each rule's description so you're sure you're targeting the right one. The descriptions usually show the condition, like a sender or keyword, and the actions the rule performs, such as moving or categorizing messages. When you've identified the correct rule, select it, then click the three dots, sometimes labeled More Actions. From the menu that appears, choose Delete Rule. Outlook will typically prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm the deletion. This removes the rule immediately and it will stop running on any future emails. Your existing emails won't be changed by this, so there's no risk of losing anything that's already in your mailbox. If you were testing a rule or if someone else created one on your account in the past, this is a clean way to reset your inbox behavior. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you're unsure whether to delete a rule, review its name and conditions one more time. You can also note its details before removing it, in case you want to recreate it later with adjustments. If your interface looks slightly different, you might be using a work or school account with a customized layout, but the path is the same: settings, mail, rules, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a rule in Outlook and taken control of how your emails arrive and behave.